What's up guys, we're back. So we finally have the floor mats for the Honda Pilot. These floor mats are the 8-passenger floor mats for this model. So in today's video we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna see the fitment, and we're gonna see how good they are. Coming up next. Also in today's video we're gonna announce the giveaway, and more information at the end of the video. This is what it comes inside of the box. You can see they're amazing. This is the brand Oedro. They're great. The thickness is good. That's nice. They have texture. This is for the passenger side. This is the driver side, and it has this hole for the clips to turn in here, and both sides. Even the second row has this for the clip. That's nice. This is the second row mat, and this is the third row mat. Okay, so this is for the 8-passenger Honda Pilot. So here's the difference between the 8-passenger and 7-passenger. This one has 2 notches, this one has 1 only, but this is wider than this is smaller. Okay, so remember to get the correct one for your vehicle. The 7-passenger, it has no seat in the middle in the second row. Okay, so that's the only way that you can know which one do you have. Okay, this is the thing I want to show you. These are the ones I had before. These are the new ones. Both of them are amazing, but let me show you the color. This one is a little bit more like a dark gray, and this one is like a dark black, deep dark black. Okay, so this one is a little bit lighter. It's not that like a dark black. This is a little bit like dark gray. Okay, so as you can see, this is the fitment. It's very good, very good. You can see, very nice. Over there too, in here. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the driver side. So this one is perfect. Now let's see the passenger side, the fitment. See, it's good too. It's nice and tight in all the sides, corners. It's amazing. You can see it. Yeah, the clips, they are good. It's nice. So on the passenger side, it's perfect too. Okay, now let's see the second row floor mat. The fitment, look at that. Yeah, it's amazing. You can see it here. That's amazing. And the clip fits perfectly in there. This side. Yeah, everything good, and the clip, it has the hole for the clip. So on the second row, it's amazing. Okay, this is the third row, so the fitment is perfect. As you can see here, it fits perfectly on this one, on the corners. Look at that. Look at that. It's amazing. In here too, right there. So it fits great on this one too. I like it. Okay guys, those are the floor mats for the Honda Pilot. They are great too. The only difference is the ones I had before, they are a little more dark, like deep black, and this one is black but it has a little bit more of gray. Okay, so that's the only difference, but the fitment is perfect. Everything looks great. Okay, so the link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below, but let me know what you guys think on the comments. Okay guys, and this is the information for the giveaway. Okay, we're gonna give away a dash cam. Here's the dash cam that we're gonna give. It's a dash cam that I already tested. It's an open box, but it's still brand new. Okay, and these are the rules for the giveaway. Okay, you have to be subscribed to this channel, you have to like this video, okay, and you have to put a comment in this video, and we're gonna pick a winner from this video. Okay, so it's super easy, nothing fancy. Just be careful with the scammers. I will never ask for money. This is gonna be free, and I don't have Telegram. Okay. Okay, and one more thing, this is only for the USA subscribers. Sorry for the international subscriber, we cannot ship it too far because it's expensive. Okay, so only USA subscribers. Okay, good luck guys, God bless you, thank you for participating, and in the next video we are going to announce the winner. Thank you for watching. Like the video, hit the notification bell so you can see if you won the camera, the dash cam, and see you on the next video. Bye, blessings.